fucking insane. And full times, Ryan bought the high and sold the low to him. Like thousands of fucking bonds.
All right. This is non-identifiable. Just to give you an idea, these are silver fills here. Okay, this is for a client. And, oh, by the way, one lot margin has been raised on a 5,000-ounce COMEX contract to 95,000. Okay, these are 1,000s, SILs, okay, 1,000 ounces. And here's my point, okay, so I had this level here. I'll show you the charts. This would be how you would use one of NASDAQ's charts, okay? I have this, it's going to be a green trend line. But anyway, at 903.55, we sold a one lot here at 15.58. This is an olive line, and there's going to be a green trend line, okay? It's off the candlesticks, and that was 30 cents lower. So at 904, we sold a one lot here. We bought it back $3.28 lower, okay? That's $3,280, okay? This is bingo bango. Okay, now let's go look at the chart. I want to talk about this here. We got cattle. We got a report coming out Friday. Today is Wednesday, January 28th, I believe. Look at this, man. This bitch keeps coming back, though. This black trend line coming up here. So if you're looking at my chart, the number would be 236 double, 55. Put your hands out like you and then squeeze your hands like that was also on the trading floor, bear stearns, or if one was grabbing someone's breast. 55, okay? So your fingers, your what is it? Not your knuckles, but the end of your fingers. Anyway, I happen to think if we break this on after this number here, possibly, okay, kind of looking to sell this cattle on a rally here. Buy stops above here, above this orange, which we did not hit in this particular month. All right, how about what that silver trade was this morning, okay? Here we got the silver futures, okay? This was the break. This was $17 all day rally. Monday, $17 break. We came all the way back where we closed. Okay. Anyway, so this is here. This is less than a 60-minute chart. Okay. This is the trend line right here. This green trend line here. Okay. So this happened at 1 o'clock in the morning. Okay. And the trend line becomes live after this red bar right here, okay? So here it's the high, here it's the high. What did we break? Down to 11, $4 break, okay? This is at 5 a.m. in the morning. We came back up here, and as a matter of fact, check this out, okay? In less than an hour, if you were going to sell this line, which is how the algos are programmed, which is what, if you wanted to learn how to do that, I could show you. And then this was an olive line sell at 15.62. 67 was a high. That particular order was in it to sell it at 58. 15.58 that we just showed you there with the $3.20 scalp. Here's the olive sell. Here's the green buy scalp. Okay? Bingo, bango. It can happen and did in one bar. Okay? We got the Fed day going on here. If you're looking to sell this, if the Fed cut, who knows, okay? You'd have to come out over here, in my opinion. Buy stops over here. Or buy stops over 1770. I wouldn't even wait that far. Here, what's this high right here? So if you look at this today, 1616. 116.16. And the chart is named Mockingbird Lane, okay? 1616 was the green in gold about 2.5 years ago, whenever it was, okay? We got over the olive. We went to gold, got over the olive, which was 1808, went up just shy of $2,100, violated the olive line sell, come back down to the green. I highly would advise, if you trade behind a screen or something like that, throw me some coin. Throw me some coin. That was a lifetime lesson here. Here's beans here, a little follow-up. I sent something out yesterday, buy beans, okay? It's not necessarily the timing, okay? But just we had the olives down here. We got higher on the year. Here is this. Yeah, as a matter of fact, here's the olive buy up to this green. It's stuck in here. Well, what about that green? This green is a longer term green. Here you can see how we gap over it, came back down to it, held the gap and the green, took off, and then all of a sudden here we closed. The green's the low, green's the high, green's the last what on the way out. Anyway, we came down here anyway. So this, I like this right here. I just had a client. We sold some beans up here that he was long, up 16 cents. And we had a buy order to buy them back right here. This is a reversal down. And it's also right here, denoted 1087. These are May beans. Okay. I like beans. I like beans into February. Okay. What else we got here? This is corn here. Here's this line I talked about a couple days ago. It was a high 31. Here we come in here. Now look at right here. See the red trend line? There's something else right on it. See? We blow it up a little closer. Okay? So you got 32 and a quarter, 33 and 7/8. You sell it here. You sell 100 contracts with a 3-tick stop. Penny stop. Okay? $5,000 and here you're up $3,500. Look, I'm kind of making this up, but not really. Okay? Because corn you can trade with 3-tick stops. Here's wheat. Same kind of thing. Here you got downward sloping trend lines. Here you got a little one right over here. Okay, this was yesterday's low, and then today we take off. U.S. dollar, as a matter of fact, here, let's go. Let me put a couple of these charts up here. Where is this chart? Okay. This is what I'm looking at today here. This is cotton, okay, olive line buy. There's another one 50 cents below here. This right here, though, all of a sudden we take off. We rally $2. And this is an area to play. If, in fact, this thing is turned, these could be a couple places. You put your sell stop here or put your sell stop under this. What is it? Oh, this is not on the CQG. This just went out to clients. Okay, this is the March cotton. You did come into some olive buys. There's 2 thick ones, okay? Here's a thin one. This guy's got to go with a thick one. I don't even, oh, here, maybe this is it. So these are very long-term numbers in the March cotton. That was a good buy. And here you come up here and you came back down here. Here it looks like it's a weekly settlement here. Anyway, that's cotton here. Let's go through. I'm just going to go blow through these fast. What is this? This is S&P's rising trend line. Fed day is today. There's that. We did that. Uh-oh. Okay, that's cattle's making a new high. What is this? Oh, this was actually had a client up here. We had one to go at 344. 48 was the high. We're kind of coming back right now, but this would be little olive line sells in the NAS. They got earnings coming out. What else we got? That's May beans. This was this morning here. Okay, we're going to call this a wrap. You need something. Oh, here, I might as well show my mug here. Let's see if this turns out here. No, here, hang on a second here. To see my mug, I am your host, technical analyst, ex-floor trader, because the floors were closed. AI came after the floor traders first. Okay, they to try to steal $31.25, one bond tick, okay? And now that whole herd has been culled. It's a shame, really. Where Chicago Futures Exchanges is where the open outcry was born. Okay, so if you need something, I am the real person. And get a hold of me, email me, ARP, what do we got here? A little, I don't really use the, here, hang on a second here. Okay. Email me, ARP@NASDOG. Have a lovely day. Always use a risk stop to stop the risk.